welcome to Curly Boot Camp. Hope you guys are enjoying all of the tutorials and all of the information. I am here like a bad horror story just out of the shower, but today I'm talking a little bit about my routine, what I do, how I use my products, what products I'm using. So normally I would keep my head over like this once I get out of the shower. So on the days I know I'm gonna have curly hair, I do a black 2-in-1 is my shampoo of choice for my first wash for my scalp, and then volumizing shampoo is my second, and then I do the Bond leave-in conditioner, which holds in that moisture so that my hair doesn't get frizzy and dry out. So the other three products that I use on curly days is blowout cream, curl cream, and our mousse. So for me, the order I use it in is blowout cream first. So this is going to not only help with frizz, it's also going to have a heat protectant in it, so when I diffuse my hair, it'll be protected. Then I'm going to take my curl cream, a generous amount, and I'm going to emulsify that. So what that's doing is just getting all the product mixed together and activated. And then again, I'm going to take that same technique and swoosh it in this. And then the third product I'm going to use is the Moxie Mousse. I'm going to use that same technique where I'm just getting it all over my hands, and then we're just going to squish it in there. Okay, so after I get that product in my hair, because my hair is so wet, I don't want to try to start diffusing now because it will take 10 to 15 minutes to diffuse my hair. I don't normally want to take that long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to take a cotton t-shirt, and we're going to just squeeze some of that water out, okay? So we want to keep the curl clumps. So we're using that same motion we were with putting the product in. We're squeezing up and just with the diffuser. I've watched a couple different videos on diffusing. This is not my favorite bowl for diffusing. I really like Katie's, and someday I will upgrade to something that it's more of a bowl instead of, this is more of a flat surface. So it's not my favorite, but it's what I have. And the couple people that I watched, their videos, I really liked how they did it and made sense. They wanted to put this in, you want it on hot, and we're gonna do low first, and we're gonna gather the hair up in the bowl, best as possible without touching it, and then we're gonna turn it on, and that's gonna keep us from splitting the hairs apart. And here I am almost dry from my diffusing. So I will let you guys know that I'm doing the on-off version of diffusing. So I turn it off, I get my hair in there, I turn it on. I also have a button here that does a cold shot. And so while it's up in that clumped version against my head, I will give it a cold shot. So I'm holding for 20 to 40 seconds each of the areas of my hair as I put them up. I've been doing that method for a while now, and I've noticed that that's definitely helped give me more curl and more volume on the top. So hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully you guys are also getting a bunch of tips and tricks from the other ladies in this boot camp, and you're winning some great prizes. All right, well, thanks for being here today. And